flow. They wanted more, I give them more.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Link in the description for merchandise. Hit me up on Instagram if you guys want any custom banners or any stickers made. Let me know. Also, shirts dropping soon. Tuck the world. This is an upgrade from their last coilovers that they had. These ones right here, I believe, are around $500 to $700 in that price range. The wind is probably a little bit loud out here, but I'll try to get most of this done real quick so that way we'll do a walk around of the car, show you guys what it looks like, and then let's go to the house and swap these coilovers out. So far, packaging, I'm gonna go stick this in the back of the car. That way it don't blow away. Alright, let's see. First impressions of looking at it. Made this a little bit stronger as far as everything on them, and they're adjustable on the bottom so that way your spring rate stays the same. And you can also adjust this, put different coils and stuff like that. Everything probably just needs tightened up. 27 adjustable. These aren't bad. They look nice. Maxpeedingrods coilover tool and Maxpeedingrod towel. That's pretty dope. And then also looks like I got a couple lanyards for the keychains. That's clean. I'm excited to try them because I know the spring rate and everything else on these have changed from the other ones that I have on the car, and so these are pretty much an upgraded version of them. Shout out again to Maxpeedingrods for sending these coilovers out to me. This is the second set that they sent me, so I appreciate it for sure, especially with a lot of horsepower. So be able to know if you can handle it and take it on track or do whatever you guys want to do. Alright guys, so we made it to the garage. We're gonna get this thing jacked up and get the wheels taken off, then loosen all of the 14s, and there's 2 on each strut, 8 of them. Loosen all those, and once you get this thing on jack stands, then we'll move on from there. And also, Chris had got me this when he had got the high Civic one, so I appreciate him giving me this. This is LED light control, dream color, built-in sensitivity mic, lights dance, whole bunch of stuff. Got an app, we got a remote, you can change it. So I'm gonna take this off and kind of see where I can put them. As far as I'm gonna try to put them up as low as I can on the back and the front. The back will be easy. I have the battery back there. I don't know if I'm gonna go through the battery back there or come over here where I got my fan switch, so it's on when my fan switch is on. I'm gonna see right now. We'll see what happens. Oh man, it looks good on the sides.
Yep.
I gotta do this side still, and we're gonna do the front real quick, and then we're gonna be done. Alright guys, so we got the coilovers on, we got everything tightened up. You guys did see that we were tightening up the top hat bolts. Make sure you guys do check that, do a walk around it, and make sure all the top hat bolts and everything for the springs, make sure everything's tight before you do drive off or anything like that, so you guys don't have any issues. This thing's pretty low, so as far as everything, it stays the right height, it doesn't budge, it doesn't move, and that's exactly what I wanted. So a good comparison to the other ones, I would say that these ones are upgraded and a lot better. So if you guys were to get the other ones, if you're on a budget, you can get the cheaper, you guys can get the other Maxpeeding rod coilovers if you guys are just looking to drop something. And if you're trying to have something that's static, that's pretty low like me, definitely upgrade and get the T7s, because so far been a week or so and I haven't had no issues or any problems. I will be doing some ride along videos so that way I can get a better idea and a better opinion on suspension, so where we can see what people think about it. So far so good. I don't see any issues or problems with anything. Sooner or later I'll be sanding down the engine bay and painting that, so don't worry about the different gold colors and everything. I will be welding all these holes up, filling them in, and then bondoing it and molding everything.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I used to you, running to you, like I did it. Can't do it, can't get it. Oh, run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me poppin', she call me poppin'. Tell me spurs like bucket, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.